I just hit the 30,000 mark. So I wanted to do an update on the bike, what I've done to it lately. Still looking alright. As you can see, I've added the lids. These are Advan Black 8-inch separate tweeter. Another major thing I've added is the UltraCool right here. Also have the flow filter. The way I got it ran is, so you see I had the 3 switches here. This is for my cool flow. This switch here is the OEM switch for the cool flow, which is here. I got the second switch controlling the love jugs, and the third switch controls the UltraCool. The reason I wanted to be able to turn the UltraCool off is if I stop somewhere after riding and the bike is still at temperature where the UltraCool should run, even though the bike is off, the fans will still run. So I wanted to be able to turn the fans off so that I can play my music or whatever. And I put it has a status LED. So I put my status LED right here. I can't really see it while I'm riding unless I actually sit up or something, because it's a real bright blue LED, and I didn't want that blue light shining in my face the whole time while I'm riding. So that's why it's kind of hidden right there. That way I know it's there. If I want to look at it, I can find it and see if it's actually functioning. It's pretty loud, so you can hear it. You know what I'm saying? I can't hear it over the music or the bike, but if I listen for it, I can hear it. Alright, that's pretty much about it. And I think I did add, you can see back here, right here, I added a vent out the top of the transmission cover. So even though I have the fueling, I also added that vent there. Bike's still running pretty good. Like I said, I gotta take it in from a 30,000 mile service here. Coming up, still waiting on my white bike engine to get replaced. Blew that engine up, so as soon as I get that one back, then I'll be taking the orange one in for my 30,000 mile service. But that UltraCool does work. The only issue I had was, as you can see, my O2 sensor right here is right above it. So they had to create a special kit for my bike, because I ordered it offline. They sent it to me, and the adapter didn't work with my bike because they put the hoses coming out the top, and that was right where my O2 sensor was. So I contacted them. They asked me what I had, talked to them over the phone. The guy even gave me his direct number. He FaceTimed me, showing me what he's doing as far as testing out a new system. They sent me the new system, even while I still had the old system. I installed the new system. Once I found out that was working, then they sent me the shipping label to return the old system. So their customer service was really, really good. Also on the Advan Black lids. The first set of lids that I got, I didn't like the color match on it. So I had to contact Advan Black Same situation. Even though I had installed the speakers, lids, tweeters, everything, which means I cut holes and drilled in it, Advent Black still sent me out another set of lids while I still had the old ones. I saw that those were a better match. Then they sent me the return label to ship the other ones back. So I've lately had some pretty good customer service out of the motorcycle community company. So that gives me a little bit of hope, you know. If I can just get my white back, then I'll be pretty good. It's been at the shop for 4 months waiting on parts for this engine replacement. Luckily, it was all under warranty, so I just had to pay a little bit of miscellaneous stuff. So that should be back within, I want to say 2 weeks. But as far as that, I think I'm pretty good. I did have an oil leak coming out of my bolts here. So I thought my head gasket was leaking. But it seemed like it was just oil coming out of here as it was flying back by. It's right at that level where it came out there. I cleaned the heads and I haven't seen anything else since. So it seems like the 131 been holding up pretty good lately. But yeah, I think that's it. Just want to update you on what I've done to the bike and new stuff I've added on.